Good morning, student. I am your science teacher, Mrs. Tanuja. In chapter number 7, we have already discussed about what is weather, what is climate, what are the difference between weather and climate, what is minimum temperature, what is maximum temperature, and what are the elements of weather. Now, in this chapter, let us study the adaptation of animals living in certain habitats, namely in polar region and tropical rainforest, which have severe climatic conditions. The areas situated near the north and south poles of the earth are called polar region. Let us see how these animals are adapted in polar regions by considering the example of polar bear and penguins. Adaptation in polar bear. Polar bear are perfectly adapted to live in the ice of cold environment of the north pole of the earth. They have following adaptation. The first one, polar bear has two thick layers of fur on its body. The outer thick layer of fur is made of hollow hair. The hollow hair trap air, a bad conductor of heat, isn't it? And keep the body warm. Beside fur, it is also a thick layer of fat called blubber under the skin that keeps the body warm in extremely cold climate by keeping its body heat in. This fat layer also provides nutrition when food becomes scarce in severe cold conditions. Now the third one. Polar bear have white colored fur so that they are not easily visible in the snowy white background. It protects them from their predator who kill and eat them. It also helps in catching their prey. They have a strong sense of smell so that they can locate and catch their prey for food, mainly seals. Polar bear has long, curved and sharp claws which help it to walk on ice. Polar bear's paws are wide and large, which help it not only to swim well but also walk with ease in the snow. Adaptation in penguins. Penguins are flightless birds that have the ability to survive in very cold climate that live in the south polar region of the earth. Penguins do not have predators in the icy remote region where they live. They eat fish, so they have become very good swimmers. Penguins can live in the extremely cold climate of polar region due to the following adaptation. Now the first one, penguin is white in color with black colored feathers on its back. The white color merges well with the white surrounding of ice and snow. The black colored feathers on the penguin's back absorb heat from the sun and help it to keep warm during the day. Penguin has thick skin and a layer of fat called blubber below its skin which keeps it warm in the extreme cold climate. Penguins huddle together in group to keep themselves warm. Like polar bears, penguins are also excellent swimmer. They have a streamlined body, flipped like wing and webbed feet for making them good swimmers. Migration. Birds migrate to warmer region when winter sets in. They come back before the winter is over. This is called migration. One of the most common migratory bird which comes to India every year for a few months is the Siberian crane. The normal habitat of Siberian cranes is Siberia, which is a very cold place. When winter sets in Siberia, it gets extremely cold. At that time, the Siberian crane fly thousands of kilometers and come to warmer place in India such as Bharatpur in Rajasthan, Sultanpur in Haryana. and some other parts of India. They stay in the warmer place in India for a few months. The Siberian cranes fly back to Siberia when the winter ends there and climate becomes favorable. Adaptation in elephant. Elephant is a very large animal of Indian tropical rainforest. It can live and survive in the tropical rainforest due to the following adaptations. The most distinctive feature of elephant is boneless muscular trunk. The trunk helps the elephant in many ways. The elephant has a strong of sense of smell because it uses its trunk as a nose. The elephant uses its long trunk to pick up food like grasses and leaves and put into its mouth. The elephant uses its trunk for drinking water also. Elephant has a big and long pointed teeth called tusks which come out from its closed mouth. Tusks are modified teeth of elephant. Elephant uses the tusks to tear off the bark of trees which eats as food. Elephant also uses the tusk for fighting its enemies and protecting itself. The elephant has a large ear of an elephant help to hear even very soft sound. Adaptation in red-eyed frog. The red-eyed frog has big and bubbling bright red eyes and lives on the trees in the tropical rainforest. So it called red-eyed frog. Red-eyed frog has developed sticky pad on its feet so the undersides of leaves and help it to climb easily on the tree trunk on which it lives. Adaptations in monkeys. Monkeys are well adapted to live on the trees in tropical rainforest. They have a long tails for grasping branches. Their hands and feet are such that they can easily hold on the branches of the trees. They have opposable thumbs which allow them to grasp small things. These are some of adaptations of animals who live in tropical region. What is tropical region? The areas which lie close to the equator is called tropical region. It extends between 10° north and 10° south. Tropical rainforests are found in Western Ghat and Assam in India, Southeast Asia, Central America, South America, Central Africa, and many islands of Pacific. The major types of animals living in the tropical rainforest are monkeys, lions, tigers, elephants, lizards, snakes, birds, and insects. Since the number of animals living are large in number, there is intense competition for food and shelter. Let us take one more example of a bird. Do you know this bird? Yes, this bird is toucan. Adaptation in toucan. Some animals like toucan have developed adaptation to obtain food which cannot be easily produced by other animals. Yes, really, it is not easily procured by other animals. It has a long colorful beak which measures more than half of the length of its body. The long beak helps a bird to reach the fruits on such branches which are too weak to support the weight of any bird. Thus, toucan can reach its food even without sitting on the weak branches. Okay, now this chapter is completed. In this class, we come to know about polar region, adaptation in polar bear and penguins, and tropical rain forest, adaptation in elephants, adaptation in red-eye frog, adaptation in toucan, adaptation in monkeys. Okay, now bye for now. Have a nice